Doesn't that look like the board from Wednesday?
Yeah.
Yes, she was walking.
You better not fall.
Ooh.
Like a lemon tree. Bink.
Gotta curl your toes up in there.
Tie these suckers tight. I should wrap them around your ankle.
How about that one?
Daddy used to do that.
Yeah. That's how he still wears shoes. I gotta get my Nikes.
Ow. I'm running on my tongue, not my eye.
Whew. Yeah, one more round. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I thought that was good.
Let me go to the Memorial Day parade. Little gloomy,
There's people over there.
but we shall see. Oop, did you poke yourself in the eye twice? Music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. Go for it. Don't run, because if you fall in the middle of the street walking, go. You do too much.
Oh, the truck I wanted to see.
The big dog. Oh, you don't got no energy right now?
I do, but it's like, it's girls versus boys.
Oh. Quite the surf. Gee.
Mommy, you need help?
What is mommy doing? I guess we all a little rusty. Ready? Yeah, Malia's scared.
She about to slap herself.
We can play right here.
Wait,
Do you want me to?
concrete right here?
Sure, wherever you want. Wounded duck. Is the grass wet? Do you want to go in the shade? Looks like she's stuck. She needs a little push. She's doing back by the swing. Let Papa know. There we go. Been watching a lot of basketball, so for some reason I feel like I can make a shot.
Nope.
Ah!
Nope.
Woo!
Nope.
Ah! Watching them guys play basketball and them shoot from like how far they shoot. What did we watch? Was it the Spurs? And I don't know.
You only like one out of it too.
Come on, stop roasting me.
I got two. You got three.
Ho!
Maple.
Come on, blimey, mate. All the ball has to do is go through the little net.
Straight, go in.
Oop. Turn.
Why
Oh,
does it smell like gas?
Because I just had to put gas in it.
turn, Matt.
Sure. Don't worry, I got this.
All right, straighten out. Don't run over the little dog. Turn, Ma.
It's not. I should refuel.
Might as well.
Can I drive it?
Is it wet?
Nope. Oops, she's going back there and now. I'm gonna tell you what I see. There was a robin over there before.
We're just doing our due diligence, walking the property.
Oh, can we go that way?
That is not a way, Pumpkin. That is not a way.
Yes, it is.
No.
That's the way.
You got stuff in your hair.
So, why is that? You scared me. With like one side of his face angry and then the other side like I don't know what you're talking about.
What is that big dish? I never even noticed that. I went slow up in the front this time. I wasn't looking around.
Did that pipe get you in any trouble?
No, it didn't.
guys enjoyed the video. It was different. Short little snippets. I wish the Ray-Ban Metas and stuff would shoot horizontal instead of vertical. It's cool, but I want vertical just because it'll mesh good with the videos. But it was nice. It was a peaceful, cold, rainy adventure, and my little brother came along with me, which was nice. I believe it was the first time he was on an adventure with us. Got to get my older brother and my sister and my mom to go on an adventure with me, and my dad too. I got to get everybody to go on an adventure with me, just because it's nice. Like, you don't realize how much fresh air is good for you. And just here's the nature of the sound of nature is good. What else? Memorial Day parade. Little, not the greatest, but something to do. We played tennis. We actually just scooped up. We just scooped up some pickleball paddles and wiffle ball things. We played last night. It was fun. So stay tuned for that. More parade, tennis, and we been helping out the father-in-law, mowing the lawn, shooting some hoops, playing football, and giving him company. Just because, yeah, that's life. And back to bike riding. I'm slacking on my energy level of like bike riding, working out. I've been pooped. I've been busy. I've been pooped. But hopefully with the summer coming, school's almost over. I can't wait. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Other than that, over and out.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.